Fables and parables. Fable. A fable is a short narrative in verse or prose that conveys a moral. It features animals, plants, inanimate objects, or forces of nature. The fable ends with a pithy maxim or saying which conveys the moral of the story. Fables are often ironic or satirical in tone and are mainly intended to point out human voices and follies. Human activities and behaviors are depicted through animals, birds, and other inanimate objects in a fable. Fables were very popular in ancient Greece, Egypt, and India. The most popular fables are the Aesop's fables, narrated by a Greek slave who lived in the 6th century BC. In the 17th century, the fable as a narrative form was revived by the French poet Jean de La Fontaine with his witty adaptations of the Greek fables. The oral tradition of fable in India dates back to the 5th century BC. The Panchatantra, a Sanskrit compilation of beast fables, is a good example of fables in India. An example of modern fable is George Orwell's The Animal Farm, where the beast fable becomes a biting satire on Russian totalitarianism under Stalin of the mid-20th century. Kipling's Justo Stories, 1902, Thurber's Fables of Our Times, 1945, T.S. Eliot's Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats, 1939, are examples of popular modern fables. Parable. A parable is a simple story in prose or verse that usually serves a didactic purpose. These are normally short tales that illustrate a universal truth. The word parable is derived from the Greek word parabole, which means a comparison or parallel, which the narrator uses to illustrate his ideas. Similes, metaphors, and symbols are also used to demonstrate the moral intended to be taught. Complicated moral truths and ideas are conveyed in a more simplified and comprehensible manner through a parable. The parable of Good Samaritan and the parable of Prodigal Son are examples. A parable differs from a fable in that fables employ animals, plants, inanimate objects, or forces of nature as characters, whereas parables have human characters. Thank you.